Good morning. Sometimes it feels like everyone around me is in better shape. Right now I'm a little bit lost. A local trail was suggested to me for this section, but it's not very clear. So I think I'm going in the general direction. Yesterday Okay, I'll stop here for a second. You know, listen to the people on the trail, but always double check. This is something I've learned. Well, no, I haven't learned it because I didn't do that. Yesterday, somebody told me the next spot was 11 kilometers. It was 25. And today, they said the trail was quite easy, well marked. It's not. So, yeah. Well, I didn't feel awake earlier. Now I feel awake, so there's that.